If you are facing iPhone 13 touchscreen problems, such as unresponsive screen, ghost touch, screen freezing, or touch not working properly, this video is for you. In this tutorial, we provide a complete and tested solution for iPhone 13 touch issues, trusted by professional mobile technicians. The most common reasons behind iPhone 13 touchscreen failure are touch IC damage, loose LCD connectors, faulty display, or software glitches. If your iPhone 13 is not responding to touch, randomly freezing, or experiencing ghost touches, follow the step-by-step guide in this video. In this video, you will learn how to fix iPhone 13 touchscreen not working issues, how to solve iPhone 13 screen freezing or hanging problems, professional methods for touch IC repair and cleaning, how to check and reconnect display connectors to restore touch response. This solution works for both minor touch issues and hardware-level repairs. If you are not a technician, you can still perform basic checks at home. However, for complex problems, it is recommended to seek help from an expert mobile repair specialist. At Sonya Mobile, we provide professional mobile repair tutorials, hardware solutions, and step-by-step guides to help you fix your smartphones easily. Our goal is to make iPhone repair simple and effective for everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone repair solutions and mobile troubleshooting tips.